Sometimes life is confronting, it's painful. And I think that's also good to show that I'm not always happy, that I've got also my moments. Moments of grief, moments of sadness. Because I feel alone. And on the other hand, I feel great, so that's the contradiction of the duality where we live in. But all that kind of moments are also popping up. The moments of loss of a loved one in a relationship, or my sweetest dog. She was my everything. Is. But she's not here anymore. And yes, these moments are also grateful, because if there's no depth, there are no highs. Because we live in that world of duality. Yeah, so there's a different face I'm showing today. I think it's also good to see that I'm not perfect. Yeah, I'm perfect with all my things I have. But I'm human. Yeah. And I love my life. And sometimes I find it challenging to be in life. Because there's, again, a confrontation or a situation or whatever. But yeah, I chose this path to walk and to not enter in, to experience and to uplift myself so I can uplift you and bring you to a higher level and give your sparkle back. But I cannot do that if I don't face my fears, my challenging, my grief, my anger. Then I cannot teach you or show you or help you. So, thank you for listening, and I wish you a lovely day today and a lot of love from me.